Welcome to Ngo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngo 2010 Shop I channel. You are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 0, MC Alga 0. It's a CAF Champions League, my brother. How's it? Sharp, thanks, man. Okay. Yeah. Your take on the game tonight?
My take on the game tonight, this was home game. Thank you to the crowd. Well behaved.
Yeah.
Ngoba aslandanga my friends wabo siyolwa, and then obviously thina sijwayele stadium yabo i-center line esigubhini kusekhaya yabo angeke singene ema stadium nje yabo ngoba siyawazi umthetho sifuna ukuza yabo maka senyasho kule message kumabhakani yakithi kubo yazi asingene e-stadium asihlonipheni i-protocol silandelene and maka as long as asilimazanga umuntu kunomuntu okhalile sibonge for le game ukuthi yinil i-CAF fanele ukuthi udlale i-fancy football sometimes but for amaplayer wami lawa amanye babuncobo ngithi kubo fanele ba pick up ama socks yabo yes try ukuthi umfuke nguyangena but at least sicela 10 touches 15 touches
Wala shosho bro.
Masingabheki stats today full time maybe shy of mark less than 40%. Yes, you don't need to play fancy football, but at least usekhaya hold the 10 touches. Siyacela leyo 10 touches ukubo at least ilama attempts ay9. At least isinike 5.
Exactly.
Shots on target ngoba sayodlala nabanye abashaya abanye abantu 4-1.
Exactly.
And then bazidlisa futhi ngoba bayazi ukuthi bayile and bayenze baqeda umsebenzi ekhaya.
No, so congratulations. Hey, tada, hola, shosho.